I'm so gullible with chairs. Tell me I'm pretty. No. I think I just messed up, didn't I? It's probably everywhere. Oh, everywhere. Yes. Oh, yeah. How's that look? Does that look hot? Do you want to fuck me? I'd fuck me. Ah! Can you even see me? Because I have like up at an angle, like, oh, like his house, and I'm all like low. She's like, how dare you put me on YouTube? This is my gray pussy. I hate gray bush, but I have one. I have gray bush because of this. I don't think he likes being called gray bush much. I'm probably boring you because I don't know what to say. Oh yeah, look at that Sharpie for freaking nail polish. I lost my nail polish. It ran away and I left a note saying it hated me and was cheating on me this whole time with my silver nail polish. Freaking black nail polish. You can never trust them. Why won't you stay up there? That's what my rubber now.